My name is Jed McKeehan, and today we're going to talk about what a counter complaint is. Okay, so in a lawsuit between two people, the first document, the name of it that starts the lawsuit is called the complaint. Someone is complaining about the actions of another. So that person, the defendant, the person being sued, might come to me and say, well, they're doing all these terrible things to me. I want to sue them. And if I think they have a basis for a lawsuit, we will file a counter complaint, a lawsuit back against the person who sued the defendant. So that way there are two cross lawsuits going against each other. The plaintiff has sued the defendant and the defendant has sued the plaintiff with a counter complaint. Perfect example of this is a divorce case. So if someone is suing for divorce saying the other person's doing a terrible thing, typically there is a counter complaint back against the person who sued for divorce saying they have done terrible things. And so we have cross complaints. They're counter complaints against each other. Each person has sued the other person for some sort of relief. Okay. And the way I try to describe this to people is when you are just responding to a lawsuit, you have a shield, but when you have a counter complaint, you have a sword to hit the other side back with something to, get something out of them. In lots of cases, there's no basis for a counter complaint. Like in a car wreck case, if you rear-ended somebody, it's your fault. You have no basis for suing that person. For a credit card debt, you have no basis for suing the credit card company to whom you owe money. But in some instances, you may have the basis for a counter complaint. I know I've used the word cross. That's something different. A counter complaint back against the plaintiff for some sort of relief. You can find out more about this legal issue and other legal issues by going to my website, attorney-knoxville.com. You can also view my other YouTube videos.